Hey, Miss Samantha here from Dee Brown, just coming to you with our activity bag for this week. So it could be an orange bag or a different color. You just come up to Dee Brown and say, hey, can I have the activity bag for this week? And we'll get you one. Now our activity and craft we're gonna do this week is making catapults. Because you know, during medieval times, the kings and queens, princesses and all that, they had catapults to help defend their castles. So if you just stay tuned here in a minute, I'm going to show you how you can make a catapult to defend your castle. So, okay, here we go. So I'm going to kind of give you an idea of how to make this catapult in the activity bag that we kind of have for this week. Now in the bag, you should get like 10 popsicle sticks. You should have some rubber bands and a plastic spoon. And then I'm also kind of going to include a few of these little pom-pom balls. So you have something to shoot. Now, to start off, you're going to need to get 10 of these popsicle sticks and kind of make a stack. So there's 4 for me. 5, 6, 7. Oh, whoops. 7 and 8. Once you have them, you're gonna put it together. One side, twist, put it on there. Then you're gonna kind of twist it, just like that. Okay. And do the other side, just like that. Now, kind of make sure you can kind of pull them apart a little bit, the bottom ones. If not, just kind of loosen it up a little bit. Okay, there we go. Now the other 2 popsicle sticks you have, we'll put together, and you're going to rubber band just one end. Just one. Just like that. Okay. So, now, with the 2, you're kind of pull them apart. You're going to be able to pull them apart just like that. But when you do, you're wanting to make sure that you can put it between the bottom of the stack. See right there? See how it kind of does that? So, when you go to wedge, and this can be a little difficult. You might need help on this, maybe. So, but you're going to take it, put it between, there we go, the stack just like that. And you can always tighten it back up. It can help stable, it can help kind of help, you know. But so, okay, and so you're going to have the 2, one of them wedged between those bottom 2 popsicle sticks, and then one on top. And one of the last things, you're going to have your spoon, just like that. You can kind of get right there if you got a little room. And you're wanting to make sure that the spoon's kind of at the top. And you're going to rubber band that top popsicle stick and the spoon together. So, and that's okay if it slips around a little bit, because we can kind of fix that when we're at the end. Okay, so there we go. So you can just kind of straighten it up. Got another rubber band, you can always wrap it around there. So, and then once you get that all put together, there it is. There's your little catapult. Now, when you go to shoot things, though, it's important to hold down one side. So you hold down this side, you know. You can hold it however you like. So, and then you're going to take your little, you know, whatever you're wanting to shoot. Ooh, there goes the ball. Put it on this spoon right there, and boop, there it went. Let's scoop back a little bit. Let's see. Oh, so, yep, so that's how we're going to kind of make. You can kind of just do it a little bit if you want to, or like I did earlier, really let it go. So, but that's how you can make a catapult out of the materials I gave you in your bag. So just have fun. You can protect your castle or your home with your catapult. Have a good day.